Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Sentry on VPS to capture backend errors. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by logging into your VPS using SSH. Make sure your system is up to date by running the command sudo apt-get update. Next, install Docker if it is not already installed on your VPS. Run the command sudo apt-get install docker.io. After that, start the Docker service by executing sudo system start docker. Enable Docker to run on startup by using sudo system enable Docker. Now, pull the Sentry Docker image with the command sudo docker pull get sentry/sentry. Create a new directory for Sentry using dir sentry. Change into the new directory with cd sentry. Create a Docker compose file by using your preferred text editor. For example, run nano docker compose.yml. In the file, define the version of Docker Compose as version 3. Next, add the Sentry service configuration under the Services section. Set the image to get sentry/sentry. Define the environment variables for Sentry, including sentry_image and sentry_db. You will also need to define sentry_db_ password as a strong password. Specify the sentry_db_ name. Next, set up the Redis service in the same Docker Compose file. Under the Services section, create a new entry called Redis. Set the image for Redis to Redis Alpine. Now, use the Docker Compose up command to start Sentry. This command will also create and start the database and Redis containers. After a successful start, open another terminal window. Run the command sudo docker execute sentry_web_1 Sentry upgrade. This initializes the database required for Sentry to function properly. Once the upgrade is complete, run the command sudo docker execute sentry_web_1 Sentry run web. This starts the web server necessary to access the Sentry dashboard. Now, open your web browser and go to your VPS IP address followed by port 9000. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.